Welcome to this active recovery stretch and roll out with a foam roller. Perfect for any post-workout or just an active recovery day. Hi, I'm Kerryn, the founder of PregActive. If you like this workout, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe to the PregActive YouTube channel, and drop me a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Let's get started with your hamstring. So place the roller underneath your leg. I place the right foot down on the ground, left leg is lifted as we roll. And breathe. And what you can do here is you can move your foot. So your left foot will turn in. And then your left foot can face toes up to ceiling. And then your left foot can turn out. So ideally you want to go as high as you can up towards the glutes and then back down towards the knee. The longer you stay, the deeper it will get. This is just going to be a quick session today. So we'll swap. Other side. Focus on some deep breathing here. If you feel like the roller just rolls away a little bit, you can just roll it back towards you. Toes turned in. Toes up to the ceiling. And toes turned out. Alright, from here we'll go straight over to the quads, your thighs. So you come over your roller now. And you roll up and down. So we'll just stay with even weight for now. Toes turning out, getting into your inner thigh area. Alright, toes turning down. Now put most of the weight, if you can, on your right thigh. Even go a little bit to the outside of that right thigh on the diagonal. And then go over to the left thigh, same thing, putting most of your weight onto that left thigh. The more frequently you do this, the easier and less intense it will become, and you'll be able to tolerate it more. Go towards the outside of the thigh, not completely to the ITB, we're just on the diagonal now. Breathe. All right. Let's go into the glutes. So you sit on the roller, you can place your, say, left hand down, doesn't really matter which side you do first. And you roll onto your buttock muscle on one side. I like to do sort of circular motions. If you don't have a foam roller, get one. Because this stuff is just so good. You can get the short ones, you can get the big long ones, you can get spiky ones. It's a little massage therapist anytime you need it. Let's go to the other side. Breathe. All right. Up and down, find that spot that's a little bit more tense maybe. Okay. Facing me, your bottom leg is long. Your top leg comes up and over. And we're going along the very edge of your thigh. It's called the iliotibial band, the ITB, and it gets tight. There's no denying it. It can be very intense. If it's very intense for you right now, it is normal, but breathe. Even find the spot and try to settle yourself onto it and move a little bit up and down from there. If it's just intense the whole way up and down, then you need to do this regularly. Breathe. We won't be here too long today, but you can always stay longer. All right, let's swap over to the other side. So bottom leg goes long, top leg is over the top. Relax your jaw. Breathe. All right, release. Sit so you have the roller back behind your head or back behind your upper back, and just roll up and down. And then just release the roller onto your head or the back of your neck like it's a pillow, and then just rock side to side. And you can stay here as long as you need to. Well done. That is your active recovery complete. Drop me a comment below. I would love to hear how you went with that. For more just like this, head over to PregActive.com.